Hey guys, welcome to my channel Susie Jamaica Vibes. In today's video we're going to have the wonderful Lover's Leap. Now if you like my video, give me a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe. The wonderful Lover's Leap is located in Southfield, St. Elizabeth. It's a great place for parties, weddings, or to just chillax with family and friends. The lighthouse is known to be the highest in the world, standing at 1,800 feet. She asked me what's my name, I tell her I am Connie. And I said, girl, tell me what's your name. And she smile for me, Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Ooh, Lord, smile for me, Jamaica. Whenever you cry, here am I. Yeah, I'm here for you, Jamaica. Dry your eyes, girl, smile. Smile for I'm here for you, Jamaica. Dry your eyes, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. Lord, hey, she have a rich history. A beautiful woman with the sweetest kiss. Beautiful sunrise and an evening. The wonderful Lover's Leap gets its name from slave lovers, Mizzy and Tonky. Their master Chudley took a liking unto Mizzy and arranged for Tonky to be sold. To avoid being separated, the lovers ran away, but were chased onto the edge of a cliff, where they jumped and ended their lives. Mizzy and Tonky together forever. The restaurant served a wide variety of mouth-watering dishes and spectacular cocktails, where guys hung out and watched football matches on the big screen. As you can see, wonderful dining areas. Kiss of a nice sunset on the evening season. But she tell me say she tired of the exploit and the liars. She give them reggae, give them beaches, give them flowers and the ferns. All she The balcony, wow, such an amazing view of the Caribbean Sea. A 1,700-foot cliff with rough waves crashing onto Cutlass Bay. If you want to take a closer look, there is a 3-mile trail that leads to the shore. Now guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, Jamaica Vibes. Thank you guys. A beautiful woman with the sweetest kiss. Beautiful sunrise and an evening kiss of a nice sunset.